you say I'm idiot?
You're saying it's because you're white, that's why you're getting problems.
I'm saying because I'm white, and you say I'm an idiot.
No, you're saying.
No, but you say I'm idiot.
I'm saying it's because you think the problems are because you're white, that's why you're an idiot.
Problem because I'm white, because that's why I'm idiot, because I'm white.
That's what you're saying, the problems are caused by. No,
I'm saying black and white is problem and conflict.
No, it is not a problem.
It is not a problem.
You actually
and you call me idiot.
You actually stood in their way and then you got problems.
I stood in their way.
Try to at least be anonymous somehow, but that is difficult, unfortunately. But nothing we can do.
If I stood on the way of those narcotics abortions dealers.
Of course they will fight back, what do you expect? But violence is bad. I agree.
Funny.
It's not because of your color. If you were black and if you were to stand in...
Excuse me, I'm not a black, I'm white.
Well,
fortunately.
if you were, and if you were to do the same thing.
That is what I'm talking about. Racism is very popular in Africa.
If they called you something against your color, it's just because it's convenient.
It's convenient
Chinese,
for racist to be.
You would be called a dog eater if you stood in
Thank you very much for everything. Amen. How pathetic it is.
So try not to stand in other people's way.
On those people's ways, do not stand. On those criminals' ways.
Yeah, as much as possible.